Go night-night. Go night-night. Jada, get down.
Get down.
Go night-night.
Go night-night.
Jada, go to timeout. Go to timeout. Go to timeout now.
Go to timeout.
Go night-night.
Go night-night.
Yes, go night-night right now.
Go night-night.
Yes.
Get down now.
Get down.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Go night-night. Go take a nap.
Yeah, I know that hurts because it's
Does your head hurt?
my shin.
Jada, what did you do today?
A pumpkin patch.
You did what?
A pumpkin patch.
You went to a pumpkin patch?
What
What did you buy?
a tie.
What'd you buy?
A tie.
It was outside? I know that, but what did you buy?
A tie.
Did you buy a pumpkin? What does a pumpkin look like?
This.
What does a pumpkin look like?
At the pumpkin patch.
What does the pumpkin look like?
By me.
Is it orange? What shape is a pumpkin?
Oh, Dad.
What shape is it?
A big pumpkin.
I know it's a big pumpkin. What shape is the pumpkin? Huh?
A big pumpkin.
What shape?
A mommy pumpkin.
I know, but what shape? Is
Is
it a square? It's a square? No. What shape is it?
Mommy, a bit.
Say it's a sphere.
A bear.
Good girl.